Here we are in Montevideo, Uruguay, our first stop back on the South American coast after our wonderful trip down the west coast of South America to Antarctica, South Georgia, and the Falkland Islands. We are here at the Mercado del Puerto, going to do a little shopping maybe, find some lunch. I've heard that you can buy meat here and they'll cook it for you right there. A little bit of kick to it. Beef sirloin, picanha. I'm stuffed. It was really good, really, really good.
Beach. This is a sculpture of the hand. We stopped to photo op, and it's supposed to represent the man and nature. And of course, everybody's trying to get their photo.
So we just finished our tour of the Raleigh Museum. Museum of Art, Sculpture, Paintings. Quite interesting and free and open just for a bunch of tourists who happen to arrive here on a cruise ship.
These are the famous undulating bridges because the architect liked the shape, blends in with the landscape. Nice lunch. A lot of beef, a lot of chorizo, a lot of water.
We are departing Punta del Este, our last stop in Uruguay. Had a great trip today, and we're seeing the ocean globe racing boats here. Stopping in Punta del Este, the end of the leg, and then I'm not sure when they're taking off again.
I think they're here till March 5th.
Got all their flags flying, looks really nice.
There's Maiden.